Hi everybody, welcome back. We are going to make this beautiful star bouquet. Let's make it. First we are going to make these beautiful stars by folding this blue strip of paper, and look how we are making a beautiful star. We are going to fold it like this. Now start rolling the strip, cut it and put it inside, and look, it is ready. After that we are going to pop those corners like this, and look, your stars are ready. Make more such stars, and then we are going to put a glue like this, and we are going to put sticks inside the stars and make a bunch of stars like this. Spread it and make more such star pieces, and look how pretty these all are looking. Now paste all of them together like this, and look how pretty this star shaped bouquet is looking. Look at these beautiful beads. Pull all of them together on the lights like this and make beautiful shape like we are doing here. Make more such shapes and tie all of them together. Now we are going to make a beautiful bouquet. Wrap all of them, tie a bow, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.